Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we're back with another mailbag. I'm back with my boy Benny.
We're going to respond to your questions, comments, feedback, and we're also going to have kind of what we did last episode, but a little different.
We're making a tomato with shaved turkey, provolone, and pesto sauce.
It's beautifully constructed.
Isn't that nice?
This feels like something you would get at like a high-end restaurant.
Probably not.
But like, they'd sell it to you like something super fancy, but really it's just...
It's $3.
Yeah, right.
Well, the way we came about this is that Lindsay, my wife, wanted basically a sandwich without the bread. So I was like, why don't we go this route? So this is what we did.
All right, sausage rings, a lot of comments.
Bring it on.
Can you do a tutorial on how you seasoned your Blackstone griddle? Looking to get one soon, and YouTube videos show me all the different ways.
I am gonna do that. As soon as Blackstone maybe gets on board with this freight train we call Good Cooking, that's going way to the top of the mountain and starts to give us a sponsorship, you know, come on Blackstone, what are you doing out there? You agree?
Yeah, no, I totally agree.
But yes, I will show everyone how to properly season that and maintain it.
Cool,
Not hard.
Good. You should get a big bun that fits the ring. I was disappointed to see it get broken up.
So was I.
Yeah.
When I saw it get broken up, I was like, this is like when that Banksy portrait
yeah.
gets shredded at the auction.
Yes.
Is that a Banksy portrait? I don't even know. I think it was. You know what I'm talking about.
I do know what you're talking about.
And when somebody bought it for $12 million and
Right.
so whoever hit the button, it just went shh.
Yep.
That's how I feel breaking up that sausage ring. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a beautiful work of art.
That was a dish. That was a dish.
Now, what did you make the sausage ring on?
Yeah, I know. This has become a big deal. I've gotten cursed at for this.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah, there's a lot of heat.
Stop saying grilled anything. That's not a grill. That's a damn griddle. A flat f***ing skillet outdoors. Know the damn difference.
Yeah. That guy came. I can tell you one thing. You know what that guy didn't have before he commented?
Sausage?
A sausage ring. Because I tell you, if you would have had one of those sausage rings, you would have been a lot calmer and a lot more tired. But here is my opinion on calling it a grill or a barbecue for that matter.
Oh, you got mad. People got mad at that too.
A barbecue.
Yep.
If I'm at your house, in your yard, and there is some type of outdoor cooking going on, Ben, what are we at?
A barbecue.
Shut the f*** up.
I feel like the shaved turkey is the key.
It's the key.
Yep.
Shaved turkey is, dude, I have to give the credit to Lindsay. Lindsay has been asking for a very long time for shaved turkey. And finally one day, we were at the Marcel, which is in the LA Farmers Market, where we get a lot of our provisions. And we asked the lady behind the counter, Sarah, if we could have a pound of turkey. And she said, how do you want it? And Lindsay said, what do you mean? She goes, do you want a regular slice or do you want it shaved? And Lindsay, it was like I gave Lindsay a diamond Cartier.
All right, we also got a comment on one of our recent mailbags, the prosciutto mozzarella sandwich. Semolina bread. Looks like almost the sub rolls from Angelino's Philly steak with the sesames. My question is, would these semolina rolls be good for steak and cheese from Philly to Boston?
I mean,
Why
I
not?
think it would be delicious with anything, quite frankly. Chicken cutlets on it, an Italian hero, a turkey hero. Semolina bread is fantastic. I know there was another guy that said, I don't like those sesame seeds.
There was
right?
someone who got
I
mad
saw
about
that.
the seeds.
I scrolled past that with a lot of anger in my thumbs, I tell you.
What child is not okay with sesame seeds?
I think somebody defended it too, meaning like they were on our side.
Yeah, they're like, it's sesame seeds.
Sesame
Relax,
seeds are delicious.
Yeah, and honestly,
It's a nice texture.
they're not even,
It's a non-factor.
they don't taste, they don't have enough of a taste to get that worked up about it. Now we're all worked up about it.
Now we're all worked up about it.
Let's get a silly one. What's your go-to meal when you're short on time?
Short on time. Oh, wow. How about this? Just a basic, hold on, let me take it back. Wow. Man, how good is that? So good.
Giorgio Armani died today.
I know.
Do you have any thoughts?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
I love Giorgio Armani.
I thought you would.
When I was a kid, we may have even told this story. This ended up This didn't affect you at all today.
It only affected me in that you're my friend and I knew you'd be mourning.
And that's really why you're the best friend I've ever had. But when I was making my confirmation, I told my mom that I wanted a rounded collar dress shirt for my confirmation, Giorgio Armani. And guess what Denise got me?
Did you know I didn't get a suit until my senior prom?
One thing I could tell you, we both ended up in the same spot. My first suit was from a place called Murray's, Bayside, Queens. They also did school uniforms. I was a young kid. I think it was my communion suit. And I had to go in the husky section, you know?
Sure.
These shoulders and titties. Then I got another suit, which was for my confirmation. That was from Manhasset, Long Island, from a shop called the Annex Shop. Thought this place was fancy, because it was. And I got myself a little navy with a little pinstripe in it for my confirmation with my Giorgio Armani. Oh my God, forget I had so much cologne on. God was like, get him out. One of you, get him out of here. He stinks.
Any final thoughts on your deconstructed turkey basil? It's just a turkey sandwich without bread. That's it.
Basically, there's nothing. We didn't reinvent the wheel here.
No.
It's actually really good because it's like a nice light option. You don't need all the bread. It's a nice little snack. You don't have to have just a salad or something.
I thought you were gonna do a lettuce wrap when you said we were doing a deconstructed sandwich.
Hey, you know what? We gotta film 4,000 more of these babies. So
it's gonna happen.
The lettuce wrap is coming.
If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback on anything we've made on this show ever, please let us know. We're happy to respond.
Do you want Ben in more of these episodes? Because I do. He doesn't want to be on camera. He wants to be behind the camera.
I'll be on camera. I'm just not additive.
All right. Okay. We love you.